everyone! Today I am excited to share a delicious prawns recipe with you. Let's start with 3 cups of kolum rice, 5 sliced onions about 360 grams, 1 carrot diced about 50 grams, 2 diced potatoes about 180 grams, 1 diced capsicum about 50 grams. Here I have taken 150 grams of prawns, or you can adjust the quantity as per your preference. Cut 180 grams of cauliflower into medium sized florets. Take 4 green chillies and break each into 2 pieces. And half cup finely chopped coriander leaves along with stems. For whole spices I have taken 4 inches cinnamon stick, 7 cardamom, 7 cloves, 3 bay leaves and 15 to 20 black peppercorns.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Now take a pot and add 3 tablespoons of clarified butter, and 1/4 cup of oil. And now we'll add the whole spices. Also add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now stir fry for 15 to 20 seconds on medium flame. Then we'll add onion, and stir fry for 2 minutes on high flame. I'll just add a teaspoon of salt to the onions so they soften up and cook faster. Now saute for 5 minutes on high flame. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook for 3 minutes on low flame. For this dish I have taken 150 grams of prawns, but feel free to increase the amount if you want a richer seafood flavor. Now cook for a minute on medium flame. And now we'll add green peas, potatoes, carrot, capsicum and cauliflower. Mix everything well. And now we'll cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Give it a mix. And now make sure to wash the rice before adding it into the pot. Now mix everything well. And now we'll add 6.5 cups of water. Green chillies. At this stage I am adding 1.5 teaspoons of salt, keeping in mind that some was added earlier. Now add 1 chicken Maggi cube and mix everything well. And now let it boil on high flame. Use half of the coriander now and save the rest for later. Now mix everything well. And now we'll cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Just give it a gentle mix. And again we'll cover and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and give it a gentle mix. At this stage, let it cook for 2 minutes on low flame. And now it's time to add the rest of the coriander on top as a garnish. Now turn off the flame, cover and let it set for 20 to 30 minutes. And our prawns pulao is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!